Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a brand new product that's making waves in the tech world, the Humane AI Pin. If you're a fan of futuristic gadgets and cutting-edge tech, this one's for you. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tech updates. A glimpse into the future. The Humane AI Pin is touted as an ultra-futuristic wearable computer. It's a first-generation product, and it stands out in a market flooded with innovative devices like the Vision Pro and wearable glasses. The promise of something genuinely new and different is exciting. But does it live up to the hype? What exactly is the Humane AI Pin? Let's break down what the Humane AI Pin is supposed to do. This tiny device, about the size of a large watch, is packed with technology. It has a camera, a microphone, a touchpad, and a projector, all designed to help you interact with the world around you. It's meant to be an AI assistant that goes everywhere with you, always connected and ready to assist. The price tag. But let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The Humane AI Pin costs $700 plus a $24 per month subscription for data, services, and online storage. That's a hefty investment for a first-generation product, especially one that aims to replace or complement your smartphone. Hardware impressions. First things first, the build quality of the Humane AI Pin is impressive. It's made of solid aluminum, giving it a dense, premium feel. There are 3 colors available: matte black, white and black, and silver. The magnets that connect the pin to its booster battery are incredibly strong, ensuring it stays securely attached to your clothes. Hardware and accessories. The pin comes with 2 boosters, which are additional batteries you can hot swap to keep the device running. It also includes a reflective charging case and a desktop charging puck, both of which use USB Type-C. The hardware packaging is top-notch, and you can tell a lot of effort went into the craftsmanship of this product. What can it do? The Humane AI Pin offers a range of functionalities. You can ask it questions, use it to make phone calls and send text messages, and even get historical facts or personalized recommendations. It can take pictures and short videos, remember things for you, and provide real-time translations. The projector feature lets you interact with a 720p display projected onto your hand, which is an impressive technical achievement. The reality check. However, the reality of using this device is quite different from its promise. The Humane AI Pin often struggles to perform its tasks efficiently. It's slow, often inaccurate, and has a habit of overheating. The battery life is inconsistent, requiring frequent charging and battery swaps, which is cumbersome. Performance issues. Let's talk about performance. Most of the device's tasks are offloaded to the cloud, resulting in delays. Even simple queries can take an annoyingly long time to get a response. Additionally, the AI sometimes provides incorrect information, which undermines its reliability as a helpful assistant. The battery life conundrum. Battery life is a significant issue. The device requires constant monitoring and charging, with the battery depleting quickly, sometimes within just a couple of hours. The warm temperature of the device when in use is also concerning. Design flaws. The Humane AI Pin, despite its solid build, is a bit too heavy, especially when worn on lightweight fabrics. The constant sagging and its placement, which often conflicts with seatbelts, make it uncomfortable to wear for extended periods. Usability concerns. The pin has no apps, and its limited connectivity is a major drawback. It doesn't sync with your smartphone, meaning it can't access your existing contacts, calendars, or apps. This isolation severely hampers its functionality and integration into your daily routine. Smartphones. The biggest hurdle for the Humane AI Pin is the sheer utility and dominance of smartphones. Everything the AI Pin does, your smartphone can do better, faster, and more reliably. From taking high-quality photos and videos to using apps and accessing information quickly, smartphones are simply unbeatable. The assistant paradox. An effective AI assistant needs to know you well to be genuinely helpful. This device, being standalone, doesn't integrate with your phone, which already knows a lot about you. This gap makes it less useful as a personal assistant compared to your smartphone. Conclusion. In summary, while the Humane AI Pin represents an ambitious step towards a future of wearable tech, it falls short in its current form. The device is plagued with performance issues, battery life problems, and usability concerns. For now, it's hard to recommend it over the tried-and-true smartphone. Final thoughts. The Humane AI Pin is an intriguing glimpse into the future of AI wearables, but it has a long way to go. It's a first-generation product that shows promise, but needs significant improvements before it can compete with the capabilities of modern smartphones. If you're an early adopter who loves to experiment with new tech, it might be worth a try. But for everyone else, it's best to wait and see how this technology evolves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. What do you think about the Humane AI Pin? Would you give it a shot, or are you sticking with your smartphone? Catch you in the next one. Peace.